Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger video call not showing. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you're facing the issue that your Facebook Messenger incoming video call is not showing, so let's see how can you easily fix that. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable or disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back, open your settings app here, go for general, go for software updates, and you have to make sure that there is no any pending software update. Then go back. So if you're facing the issue that your video call is not showing, so it's just you in the issue that your notifications are disabled. You have to go for notification settings here and look for messenger app here, and you have to simply enable this. Once you have enabled, your issue must be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed, it must be your app issue. There will be any pending updates for your Messenger apps. Open App Store here, search for Messenger, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Messenger app. If you find pending updates, try to update your Messenger app, and after updating, it might be your issue will be fixed. Or if it doesn't fix, so this is the only way. You just have to offload your app or delete your Messenger app. So go for settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for messenger app here, and you have to make sure that you have saved your account or account data, or so you have to tap on delete app here, tap on delete, and the app will be completely uninstalled. So after installation, you have to open your app store again and reinstall apps. It will fix if there will be any bug or any malware into your messenger app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.